So now hybrid and electric vehicles. So today I'm really privileged to be here at Niyo Garage Kasangati, whereby I'm going to be teaching their staff hybrid and electric vehicle. Hi, the name is MugaluTheCarGuy, the home of BMW, Mercedes-Benz hybrid and electric vehicle. Kati hybrid vehicles zina ekitibwa the internal combustion engine, at the same time zina the electric side, which is done by the power split device, the inverter converter unit, also the traction battery or the high voltage battery. Also they have these auxiliary batteries. So hybrid vehicles mulimu mild hybrids ne plug-in hybrids ne zino ordinary yebeera n'amafuta gokka na high voltage battery, then na power split device, inverter converter. Kati ziri mild ebeerako ne ka small electric battery which is around 48 volts, ne zino endala zina high voltage battery enene for over 120-200 volts batteries, traction batteries. Kati for example Honda inside ina high voltage battery yeri emabega mu 60 mu boot emabega. Kati era yo teetaaga kuba na plug-in charging ku yo system yekolera self-charging with the power split device which has 3 uses. The use of to charge the battery, the high voltage battery, and this auxiliary battery. Also it does the regenerative braking. If at all you are driving down the slope, it works as a dynamo to charge the battery and this small battery. Also that power split device acts as the starter motor. So this vehicle doesn't have a starter motor. The power split device works as the starter motor. It charges the battery. Also it acts as the gearbox, the automatic gearbox. And now if we go to the traction battery, the traction battery or the high voltage battery, it is manufactured with different material. There is nickel metal hydride, lead acid, cadmium, so different of them. So for example, if we are talking about the Toyota Prius, most of Toyota Prius generation 1, generation 2, generation 3, all of them have the nickel metal hydride batteries, which is different from the lithium ion which the RAV4 2021 has. So lithium ion batteries are better in terms of capacity. They store more voltage and long lasting to stay on board to charge and give more power than the lithium ion. So we out.
Made in Germany. Das war mal ein Begriff. Die Welt hat uns bewundert für unsere Produkte, für unseren Erfindungsreichtum, die natürlich entspringt aus einem vernünftigen Bildungssystem. Gut ausgebildet.